So, hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, I'm so excited guys kasi nandito na yung package ko na my husband ordered me Mother's Day present. So tamang-tama guys, kakatapos ko lang mag-film for my Bisaya makeup look. So, I don't know how many days din yung yung package dumating. I think a week din siya. So excited na ako guys. So bubuksan na natin siya. Ito na siya. So big. So yeah. So guys, this is gonna be my add-on to my bag collection anyway. So yeah, bubuksan na natin. Oh, wow! Ito na siya guys. Really pretty. So, pagbukas ko, ito yung nila. It's thank you for shopping with us. Take 15% off. Website pala nila, ilalagay ko sa description box below so that if you want to order also sa online. So yeah. So it's only I think 5 to 7 business days I think. And it's all free. Free shipping siya. Pag maka-over ka ng 70 plus yata yun sa, so ito yung nila, COLETTEHAYMAN.com. So, tapos ito yung invoice, pinadala rin nila yung invoice. So, Snooky, Anderson, blah blah blah. Tapos, yun. Tapos yung, dalawa kasi yung bag na in-order ko guys. So, this is gonna be my pang 3 bags from Colette. I like this bag guys because it's really fashionable and it's really classy, elegant, but it's super duper inexpensive bag. So it's really nice. The price, it's really good deal. Anyway, bubuksan ko na kasi lagay ko muna dito. So this is, it's look like, oh my god guys, look at that. This look like, oh my goodness, oh Lord Jesus. Are you excited guys? Kasi ako excited na talaga ako. Ta-da! So this is its look like guys. Look at that, it's so beautiful. OMG. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Look at that. So beautiful. Please take caution. So ito pala guys, in Australian dollars, it's only cost 74.99 Australian dollars. So yes. So ito siya guys. Ito yung may siya. Oh my god, I can't wait. Oh, so pretty. Look at this. Sa loob, natin. So, ay, may butterfly siya. Ay, wow. Pasensya na kayo yun, ha? Ayan, ako. So, my goodness. Oh, so pretty. I can't wait to use this one, guys. Oh my god, look at that. Super cute, guys. Oh my god. Bubuksan natin sa loob. So we're gonna open inside. What is inside? It comes with this one. Sling strap. What you call this one? I think sling strap. So ito yung strap niya. Mahaba siya. It's a little bit long. And then may mga papel-papel siya sa loob. dito muna natin ilagay. At saka, yung details niya sa loob guys, ganito lang, simple lang. Tapos, ayan may color. Oh, tapos may ano siya dito. You can put something. So, ganyan lang siya sa loob guys. Very simple, but it's so super elegant siya. Ito rin guys, yung details niya. Gold siya. Gold yung dito niya, gold. Tapos may cute na parang, ano ba to? Bubuyog. So yeah, for the price, ano lang siya, $74.99. It's, for me, it's a big dupe. Hi. So I can't wait to use it. So yung second bag pala guys, ito yung second. This one is so pretty. Oh my god, this one. Look at that. Oh, this is the most. Oh, look at this guys. Look at that. It's so pretty. You see that? The details. Parang madilim yung video ko no, kasi may ano. Ayan siya. Oh, hindi. Tapos may ano siya guys, oh. Parang, anong tawag nito? Foam ba ito? Foam. Wow, look at that. Oh, so beautiful. I can't wait to, what is this one? So, dito, anin muna natin. So, ganito yung details niya, guys. OMG! At saka, yung price niya pala nito, guys, it's only, ang pangalan niya pala is Sabina Ring Tote. It's only 69.99 Australian dollars. So, yeah. Oh my God. Buksan natin, guys. Oh, it comes with siya ng anong tawag nito, strap or string. String ba ito? So, ito yung comes niya. Dito mo natin ilagay. At saka, papel na naman. Tapos, ganito lang siya sa loob. Just like that inside. Tapos, yun may zipper. Dito. Tapos, dito rin, may dalawang pwede mo siyang paglagyan ng kung ano. So, yung details niya pala ito. Para siyang rose gold, and then, ito rin rose gold. So, yung details niya guys, parang leather yata, parang leather, yeah. And, so, look at that. Beautiful. So, this is one. So, dalawa lang yung in-order ko, guys. Kasi, ano siya. Kasi may promo sila last, May. So, I used the, what you call this one? Promo code Mayhem40. So, naka-discount ako, guys, ng 40 Australian dollars. And it's all, for the 2 bags, I only paid total $104.98 Australian dollars. So, yes, and it's really, really, really beautiful. Look at that, guys. See that? Beautiful bag. And the other one. Oh, ang ganda. Promise, ang ganda niya, guys. Promise. For the price, OMG. It's a very, I'm so excited to use this one, guys. And hope you enjoy my unboxing today. For my unboxing Colette Hayman bag. So, I'm so happy for my new bags. Add to my bag collection. And yeah. So that's all for now, guys. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing and see ya on my next video. Mwah. Bye bye.